Hello and welcome to our channel. In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the icon color on your Samsung device. It's a simple process that anyone can do. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung device, scroll down a bit, and tap Wallpaper and Style. After that, tap Color Palette. What you want to do next is enable the Color Palette option on your device. To do that, toggle on the switch. After that, tap where it says Basic Colors, and then select a color from these color options. And then toggle on the switch next to this option. Once you've done that, tap on the Apply button at the bottom center. Now, if I go back to the home screen, you'll see that the app icons are in the color I selected. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.